Hey mommies, daddies, and anyone looking for a healthy, nourishing, and easy Tombrown recipe. You've just found the perfect video. Let me show you how I make mine at home. First of all, the ingredients. Now that you have your grains ready, the next thing you want to do is to clean the grains by putting them on a flat surface and removing every particles of sand or stone or chaff that you may find in your grains, like you can see me doing. Also, make sure not to mix your grains together. You want to do this separately because you also need to fry them separately for their individual aromas and flavors to come out. Up next is washing. You're going to wash your grains thoroughly with clean water. This will help you remove every dirt, dust particles or chemicals that the farmers use to preserve these grains, so that you can have Tombrown that is 100% safe for your baby's consumption. The next step after washing is drying. I dried my grains directly in the sun, but you can use an oven if that is what you're comfortable with. After drying, the next thing to do is to roast the grains. And for this, I placed an empty pan on fire, allow it to heat up a little, and then I pour the grains that I'll be roasting. For this one, I'm roasting corn first. I allow it to roast for about 4 to 5 minutes on low heat, and then I take it out. After roasting the corn, I'll go ahead to roast other grains like the wheat, the soya bean, and every other thing I have. Because you don't need the back of the groundnut inside your Tombrown, you're going to remove it after roasting, like you can see me do. Look at my son trying to help. Here I have the grains all mixed. I have mixed them together and they are ready for grinding. So I'm going to go ahead and grind them now. So I'm done grinding the Tombrown now. This is what it looks like. It's very powdery, but it's not very smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and sieve it I'm going to sieve it with my sieve. So I'm using this to sieve it and get the very fine version of Tombrown that my child will be taking. Now, mommies and daddies, you have your raw Tombrown sitting in your kitchen. Let me show you how to prepare it for your child to eat. In an empty pot, put about 3 or 4 spoons of Tombrown and mix it with water. You want to get a very smooth texture. Mix and mix and mix until there are no lumps at all. Mix your Tombrown to be watery because you're going to be cooking it. So after mixing, place the pan of Tombrown on fire and cook with low heat while stirring it continuously. Continue to stir this pot until you see that it has gotten to the consistency that you want. As you can see, my own is thickening now. It is now very thick and I like the way it is.